Firestick won't turn on, and your TV shows a black screen with no HDMI signal. Before replacing it, there are several fixes you can try at home. In this video, I will show you basic to advanced troubleshooting steps to help you get your Firestick working again. First, do a simple power cycle. Unplug your Firestick from the power source and also remove it from the HDMI port on your TV. Leave everything disconnected for about 30 to 60 seconds. After that, plug the HDMI back into the TV and connect the power again. Make sure everything is connected firmly. Then, check if your Firestick turns on. Next, check the power source you are using. If your Firestick is powered through the TV's USB port, stop using that and plug it directly into a wall outlet instead. Use the original wall adapter and cable that came with it. You can also try a different wall outlet. If you have another compatible power cable, try changing the cable as well and see if that fixes the issue. Now inspect the power port on the Firestick itself. Look closely inside the power port and you will see a small black tab with tiny pins. If that tab is touching the metal edge around the port, it can stop the cable from making a proper connection. Use a small household item like a paperclip and gently push the tab slightly away from the metal. Do not force it. Hold it in that position for about 25 to 35 seconds. Then plug the power cable back in and check if it turns on. After that, check the HDMI connection. If you are using an HDMI extender, remove it and plug the Firestick directly into the TV. If it is already connected directly, try using the HDMI extender instead. You should also try plugging it into a different HDMI port on your TV. Make sure the HDMI connection is fully inserted and not loose. Now make sure your TV is on the correct input source. Take your TV remote and press the source or input button. Go through the different HDMI options one by one and see if your Firestick screen appears. Make sure you are selecting the HDMI port where the Firestick is connected. If your Firestick still does not respond, check the remote. Replace the batteries with new AAA alkaline batteries. After that, press and hold the home button for about 10 to 30 seconds to repair the remote. If your screen is frozen or black but the device has power, press and hold the select and play/pause buttons together for 10 seconds to force a restart. Also check if the device is overheating. Touch the Firestick and see if it feels very hot. If it does, unplug it and let it cool down for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once it is cooled, plug it back in and test it again. Another thing you can do is try the Firestick on a different TV. Plug it into another TV and see if it powers on there. This helps you understand if the problem is with the Firestick or with your original TV. If nothing works, you can try a factory reset as a last step. Press and hold the back button and the right navigation button together for about 10 seconds. This will reset the device to factory settings. Keep in mind that this will erase all your data and settings. That's it for this video on how to fix a Firestick that won't turn on. I hope these step-by-step troubleshooting methods help you get your Firestick working again without having to replace it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and useful tech fixes. If one of these steps worked for you, or if you still have a question, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.